In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gemini network error. If you're seeing a network error in Gemini, don't worry. Most of the time it's caused by a simple connection hiccup, a caching issue, or a tool that's getting in the way of your traffic. We'll walk through a basic, reliable sequence to get you back online quickly. Follow along in order, and test Gemini after each change. Start by refreshing the page. This clears minor glitches and forces a fresh request. On Windows and most browsers, press Ctrl+R. You can also click the reload icon near your address bar. If you're on a Mac, Command+R does the same job. Give it a second or two to redraw the page and see if the error disappears. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure other websites load normally. If they're slow or failing, you've likely got a connectivity issue rather than a Gemini issue. If you're on Wi-Fi, glance at your signal strength. If it's weak, move closer to the router or temporarily switch to a wired connection if possible. If things still look off, restart your router. Unplug the power from your modem or router. Wait at least 10 to 20 seconds so it fully powers down. Then plug it back in. Wait until the status lights stabilize. This can take a couple of minutes. Then try Gemini again. A clean network handshake often fixes stubborn, intermittent errors. Now address VPNs and proxies. Disable VPN or proxy services because they can reroute or filter your traffic in ways that trigger network errors. Turn off your VPN completely in its app and make sure it stays disconnected. Then, disable proxy settings if you have them configured, either in your system network settings or within your browser's connection settings. The goal is to send your traffic directly without any intermediaries. With those off, reload Gemini to test. If the error persists, clear your browser data. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open your clear browsing data window. Select cache and cookies. These are the items that most commonly corrupt sessions, and confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Finally, restart your browser. Fully close it, including any background processes, then open it again and return to Gemini. This gives the browser a clean slate to rebuild connections with fresh cache and cookies. Work through these steps patiently, and in most cases, the Gemini network error should resolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track.